unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
First, check the circuit breaker or fuse box to ensure power is supplied to the thermostat. Next, verify the batteries are fresh if your model is battery operated. Then, inspect the wiring to confirm it's securely connected and free from damage. If these steps don't resolve the issue, resetting the thermostat can help. Lastly, consult the manual or manufacturer's support for specific reset instructions or further troubleshooting steps. In some cases, professional assistance may be required.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.